Hey everyone, this is Dustin with Bearable Traders, and I'd like to show you some trades I made today and yesterday. I haven't traded for about a week and a half. I've been working my full-time job and just finished a 60-hour block of shifts, so I'm glad to be back trading again. So I'll show you one trade from yesterday. Actually, before that, I don't have a webcam, so this is the photo of me in the bottom right, and then beside that is my Bearable Trader screen picture. It's actually of Christian Bale, the actor, or Michael Berry, the hedge fund manager from The Big Short. If you haven't seen that movie, it's a great movie, and I think it's still on Netflix, so check it out. All right, so my trade yesterday morning was Uber. Uber's been a strong stock. Market open, it popped up. Once it came back to VWAP, I went long, and I just took partials up here along the way. I added to my position right here, so my average was somewhere in between. Moved my stop there and just rode it up, taking partials along the way. Look at the volume here on the way up. So I had about 75% of my position taken off, so 25% left. I wasn't going to let it get back to break even. Once I saw this rejection of this level here, so double top, I just ended up taking it off. And, I could have rode it all the way back down too. That's too bad. So that was my one and done yesterday. Today I had two trades. First trade was on INO. I'm a fairly new trader, so these aren't amazing trades or anything, so I'm just showing you for your average, new trader here. So this stock INO was trending downwards prior to market open, where I was looking for the rising devil. The stock popped up here, tapped that 100 SMA, and I went short somewhere between there and VWAP. I rode the move down here. This was almost a 50-cent candle, the red candle here, and I took 75% off in these three partials. So I had about 25% left, and I got stopped out just before break even. And good thing I did, because INO has been a strong stock today. Well, until it sold off. Anyways, so that was my first trade, and my second trade was on Workhorse. So again, I don't usually trade to the short side, but today I had two short trades. So Workhorse, it was big move up, and then I'll just show you. I'll get my pen out here. This 1753 level, this white level here, that was the level from yesterday's high. And you can see it's respecting that level. No candle closed beneath that level. Let me just draw a little triangle here. Actually multiple triangles. So it was respecting that level, and I said once it breaks through that level, I am going to go short. I didn't actually see this until around this time, so it was just good timing, I guess. So I went short right when it broke through. I don't like shorting right into VWAP, but it was far enough away that I could get a decent move, and it broke through so fast I had no time to set up my orders for profit taking, because I usually have time to, with Chart Trader here, I can click the screen and wherever I want to take a partial. So yeah, it broke down, took some more partials here, and then I had my stop at break even, but I ended up moving it just above VWAP here, because I thought if it broke VWAP, it's going to come right back up and stop me out anyways. So I would have got stopped out, but this stock did break down significantly after the fact. So those are my two trades today. Hit my target, and I do have an investment account with Interactive Brokers. I can actually toggle my accounts here, whichever one I want to trade with. So I am long American Airlines in that account with an average of 1250-ish. So hopefully that rebounds. It's more of a long-term play. Hopefully they don't go bankrupt. And I think that's all for today. So stay green and take care. Bye.